Welcome. This is a calm place to learn English easily. No pressure, no stress. Today, we will learn common English words. Words people use every day. Let's begin. Learning English becomes easier when you focus on common words. You do not need thousands of words. You need the right words. Common words appear everywhere, in conversations, in videos, in daily life. When you know common words, you understand more. Let's start with a simple idea. Many English sentences use the same words again and again. Words like I, you, we, they. These words help us talk about people. Now, let's look at common action words. Do, go, make, get, have. These verbs are very important. They appear in many sentences. For example, I have time. I go to work. I make a plan. I get better every day. I do my best. When you learn these words, you unlock many sentences. Now, let's talk about common connecting words. And, but, because, so. These words help ideas connect. For example, I listen and I learn. I want to speak, but I am learning slowly. I listen because it helps me. I practice daily, so I improve. These words make English flow. Now, let's talk about common time words. Today, now, always, sometimes, often. These words help you talk about life. For example, I listen today. I practice now. I always try. I sometimes feel tired. I often listen to English. Now, let's talk about common feeling words. Good, bad, easy, hard, happy. You can express yourself with these words. For example, learning feels good. English is not hard. Slow learning is easy. I feel happy when I understand. Now, let's practice simple sentences. I listen every day. I learn common words. I feel more confident. English becomes easier. Notice something important. These sentences are simple, but they are powerful. Simple English is useful English. You do not need complex words to communicate clearly. Now, let's talk about repetition. When you hear common words often, your brain remembers them. Repetition builds familiarity. Familiarity builds confidence. This is why listening daily helps. Now, remember this. Common words appear again and again. If you focus on them, your understanding grows fast. You stop translating. You start understanding naturally. This is real progress. Learning English easily means learning smart. Focus on common words. Listen often. Stay calm. This is how fluency begins. Before you go, remember this. Common words give you big results. Learn a little every day. Listen calmly. Trust the process. If this lesson helped you, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. This way, you will receive new English lessons designed to help you learn easily and confidently. Thank you for listening.